Hi, I'm Charlotte, registered nutritionist, and I'm here today working for Superdrug. What I'm going to be using in this meal today is just a few handfuls of spinach, half a tin of sweet corn, chopped tomatoes, chickpeas for some extra protein, and some herbs and spices as well. I'm going to heat a small glug of olive oil in a pan. Just turn this on to a medium heat. We'll start with about half of a crumble stock cube, half a teaspoon of paprika, and roughly a tablespoon of oregano. You can also add in some chili if you like your meals quite hot. I'm just going to add some chopped tomatoes, roughly about half a tin of sweet corn, and a tin of chickpeas. Now chickpeas are great because they add a good dose of plant-based protein to the dish. And I'm going to stir this together really well. Turn the heat down ever so slightly so that it's on a medium heat. And I'm going to add the lid to the pan and let that cook for around about 5 or 10 minutes. One last stir of this. Add a couple of handfuls of spinach. Give that a really nice mix together. Leave it for another couple of minutes until the spinach is all wilted, and then it's ready to serve. And if you like, you can just add some goat's cheese to the top. Makes it a little bit more balanced and also tastes really delicious. Tear off a little bit of coriander and break it up a little bit and just sprinkle that on the top. And this dish is now ready to serve.